Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce pizza. First, gather your ingredients: butter, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and your favorite pizza toppings. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. This forms the aromatic base for your delicious sauce. Next, pour in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Reduce the heat to low and gradually whisk in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's fully melted and the sauce thickens. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. This creamy, rich Alfredo sauce is the heart of your pizza, offering a luxurious base that truly elevates the flavor. Now it's time to assemble your pizza. Roll out your pizza dough to your desired thickness and place it on a baking sheet. Generously spread your homemade Alfredo sauce over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border for the crust. Add your favorite toppings, such as cooked chicken, fresh spinach, or mushrooms. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and cheese is bubbly. Once baked, remove your delicious Alfredo pizza from the oven. For an extra touch, sprinkle with fresh chopped parsley or a dash of red pepper flakes. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes before slicing and serving. This brief resting period helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality Alfredo sauce pizza. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.